NoMoreNoobie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete videos on Sharefactory, freeing up valuable storage space on your PS4. Plus I'll show you how to sort your videos for deleting and how to delete your imported videos so you have more storage space for your future YouTube videos and clips. For more Sharefactory tutorials, PS4 videos and YouTube channel improvement help, then please do subscribe and support the channel by using support or creator code NoMoreNoobie in the item shop. Thank you, it means a lot. Okay, so how to delete videos on Sharefactory. So the problem we have is if we go into my gallery in Sharefactory, you'll see we've got all these clips that we've recorded over the years, but there is no way to delete them at all. And it doesn't matter which button you push. So we'll show you a way around that. But first, I'll show you that you can actually delete the projects that you have in My Projects. If you just click the options button on the controller, it will take you to this menu and you can just delete the project there if you want to. Obviously, you can save these onto a USB if you don't want to delete them. I'll show you how to do that in a minute, but what we can also do is show you how to free up some more space by going into import content and import videos. And if you do find that you import a lot of videos or screenshots, then you can actually go into most recent. All of these videos are imported and being saved on the PS4. So what you can do, you see the bottom left hand corner, there's a little bin and next to it is a square. So it says push the square button and you can just delete that video. If you want to go on the video and just check what it is before you delete it, just go onto that video and push the R2 button and it will play the video. And then you can just delete it from there. Okay, so let's get into deleting all your videos. So the first option is go into main menu and go into capture gallery. And this gives you options of just deleting things from your Sharefactory or the games that you play. So these are all the videos here, but I've got a better option that I prefer to use, and that's to go back to the main menu and go across to settings, and then you can just scroll down until you get to storage, and then you can go into system storage and go to capture gallery from there. Now the reason I like this better is because when you go into capture gallery here, it also shows you the amount of storage that each clip is taking up on your PS4. So again, you've got the options of going into Sharefactory or your game, whichever you play the most of, or whichever games you play. And you can go into just Sharefactory, or you can go into the other option folder, or just go into all and that will just show you all of them from there. Okay, so you've got the other there or just all. So let's just show you how to start looking at these individually. So what you can do from here is just to select any video you want and push the options button on the controller, and that gives us loads of different options that I'll talk you through now. So first thing you can do is go up to copy to USB storage device. If you've got a USB plugged into the PS4, it will then allow you to save projects onto your USB. The other thing you can do is go to sort by and click size or date or name. So if I click size, it puts the highest storage clips at the top and you can delete from there, or if you want to, you can go by date and it'll put the most recent ones at the top. The annoying thing is if you want to get rid of old clips, you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom. It's quite frustrating, but that is an option for you to do there. If you want to push play on a video just to double check what it is, then go ahead, push the options button on the controller and push play, and then that will show you how to see which videos before you delete it. And then once you get into actually deleting them, you can just go up to delete and you can delete them individually, and you can just click on each one and you see the ticks down the left hand side, so you just select which ones you want and go across to delete. Or if you know you don't want any of them, you can go all the way up to select all, and if it does stop you and check whether you want to continue if you've got multiple PS4 accounts, because you might be deleting somebody else's account videos if you selected all. So I've chosen not to on this example, and then you can deselect all as well if you want to. So let's just show you the final process, which is when you decide to delete a video, you just push the options buttons on the control, go up to the top and delete, choose whichever videos you want and push the delete button on the bottom right hand corner. And then when you do that, it just says the selected captures will be deleted. You click OK and that video will be deleted, which will save you some storage space on your PS4. Okay, the next video on the screen is a really good one to watch, so do check that out if you can. Thanks very much for watching, and if you did find this useful, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and thanks for watching, and bye.